Hey guys, Chris Newport here with the Endurance Edge, just making a quick post-workout smoothie, just rode the bike for an hour, so a little bit pressed for time, and I'm also out of protein powder, so we're going to do a little whole food smoothie, peanut butter pumpkin. So I've got some organic low-fat milk, just happens to have what I have in the fridge, and then some garbanzo beans and some peanut butter and company, which is absolutely delicious. They're pumpkin pie spice peanut butter, but whatever kind of milk you want to use, or kind of neutral bean flavor. White beans also work really well here, and whatever kind of nut butter you want to use works perfectly here. I've got a half a banana that I already threw in. My handy dandy Vitamix over here, put in about 3/4 of a cup of milk, half a cup of garbanzo beans, and I use about a tablespoon of peanut butter. So I'm going to get her blended up, and then I'll show you the final result. Alright, got this guy all blended up. Took me about 20-30 seconds or so. Pouring it into the glass for some sweet, delicious post-workout smoothie. And this is also going to be a little bit of my lunch too, so I wanted to make sure it had some substance to it. And there you go. Some deliciousness. Oh, I also added a little bit of extra cinnamon because I love cinnamon. So eat well, take care of yourself, and I'll catch you on the flip side.